We're switching gears, and I'm very excited for today's video. And sometimes on this channel, we're gonna do these crazy concoctions with HyperShifts and things crossing over each other. I wanna make a clean, aggressive, but rich and saturated, badass frozen purple. We've got the Evo right here. It's already got a black base on it. And let me tell you about my plan. Gabe helped, of course. We've got frozen next-gen top coat. It's gonna give us an aggressive matte sheen with just the right amount of clarity. And then we have what I hope will create an awesome rich purple finish. This is HKS purple, and like Gabe said, this is the best purple pearl that we have. And then this is ZTA HyperShift. And no, we're not looking to make some crazy shift car today, but this is, again, incredibly saturated. It's actually more saturated than shifty, right?
Yeah.
But it's blue to purple. I think these two together are gonna look unbelievable. And in order to make sure we are going really rich, we're going low pigment mode, right? So this is HKS. It's gorgeous. I love it. So we're gonna go 25 grams of HKS, which is gonna be just 12.5 grams per gallon. And the new Gabe is panicking. He's like, more pearl, more pearl. This, oh my gosh, look at how much more rich and sparkly that is. This pearl is so underutilized because, like I said, it doesn't shift a lot, but it has incredibly rich, intensely vibrant colors. So let's see what happens with HKS and ZTA. The question is, are we gonna end up with a deep, rich purple or more of the blurple? I wouldn't hate it either way.
I think it's going to start off as a blurple and shift to a purple.
Okay, I like that prediction. Let's see what the stick of truth has to say. I'm so excited about this one. We haven't done something like this in so long. Okay, here's still a stick of truth. So there is a little blue in there, but I think the HKS is gonna play a bigger role once it hits the black. So HKS ZTA black base Evo, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and we always have fun doing those crazy, kooky experiments, but there's something very satisfying about creating a refined, beautiful color, something I would actually want on my car that I drive around. I think we're gonna do more of these in the future. So you know what to do. Leave a comment below and rate this color for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And if you wanna change the color of your own wheels, your own emblems, or your whole car, click right up here. All of our DIY-friendly kits are in one place for you. Gabe and I love the way this came out. I hope you like it too. We'll see you on the next one.